Spring is my favorite season here in the Pacific Northwest. When everything is lush and green and the flowers are in full bloom, it really makes the rainy season, it getting dark out at 4:30, completely worth it. I'm here at the Portland International Rose Test Garden looking at all the beautiful flowers and deeply admiring how we have them. Pollinators. These busy bees and other insects help flowers bloom, food grow, and keep our world safe and healthy. Much like Aquila, spelling bee is easy, but keeping them safe is a completely different story. When a bee visits a flower, it picks up this yellow dust that we call pollen. When it moves on to the next flower, it drops the dust onto the new flower, and that is called pollination. Pollination is responsible for plant life and plant growth. Pollination is responsible for growing seeds and fruits of a plant, which can keep the species alive and keep it going. Pollinators such as bees, birds, bats, beetles, and butterflies are critical for the reproduction of 75% of the world's flowering plants and 35% of our global food crops. Much like Beyonce's fan base, the hive is very much alive. Every bee in the hive has a job. The queen bee lays eggs. The worker bees gather food, clean, and protect the hive. The drones help with one big job. They're responsible for starting new hives. For all the good bees do, they also need our help. Some are even disappearing. Factors such as climate change, pollution, and habitat loss has made their numbers dwindle. In order to restore our bee population, here are some small steps that you can do in your local communities. Plant wildflowers and native plants. Don't use pesticides in your yard, and make a bee water station, just a bowl of water with some pebbles for bees to land on. Want to learn more? Head over to OMSI.edu/explore to learn how you can make your own bee hotel using household items. Together, we can help pollinators and make the world bloom one flower at a time.